Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to do a color pencil comparison between Prismacolor Premier versus castlearts color pencil. So I'm going to draw Goku Super Saiyan Blue. So let's watch this all together guys, let's go. Okay guys, I'm gonna try out in black paper first so that we can know how super is this color pencil. Prismacolor color pencil is based on wax and castlearts is based on oil. As you can see that the color vibrancy on black paper is not so strong for castlearts compared to Prismacolor color pencil. Even the white is much stronger on Prismacolor. So that's the demonstration guys, so let's go to the drawing. Okay guys, this is the Prismacolor demonstration for the drawing of Dragon Ball Goku Super Saiyan Blue, and on the hair I'm using all the codes that I've stated on the left, so you can redraw them using those colors. Actually using Prismacolor and castlearts both need to have a very careful consideration when pressing against the paper, because those color pencil cannot have the beginning stage of the color to be too hard, because it will not blend later on, so that you will have to keep some paper tooth behind for other colors to blend in. Even though Prisma is wax based and castleart is oil based, both need to have pressure, careful consideration, so that the color will spread out onto the paper very smoothly. As we can see here, I'm using Canson Bistrol smooth surface 180 GSM, and yeah, this is Prismacolor. As you can see, it's quite vibrant, and this is the drawing of Prismacolor. Now let's go to castlearts. Let's see how is the difference between castlearts and Prismacolor. I've read a lot of recommendation that castlearts is quite good and the price is lesser compared to Prisma. Therefore, this is quite a good alternative for me to draw anime. As we can see here, the color is smooth and is soft and is so vibrant. I'm actually liking this castlearts very much. Of course, Prismacolor is has a better comparison for blending wise and the softness, but for anime drawing such as Dragon Ball, I think castlearts is good enough. In fact, it is more vibrant in my opinion. I'm not sure what you guys think. It's actually based on the color usage and the amount of pressure we use. If castlearts use too much pressure, the color becomes so rough. It has a lot of wax bloom, of course, the same as goes to Prismacolor. But with careful practice, it will become more easier. So those are the drawings guys. Okay guys, that's the comparison. So what do you think about it guys? Which one is better? Feel free to leave in the comment section below. But from my own opinion, I think for the price and the vibrancy from this artwork, I can see castlearts is better compared to Prismacolor. But for the softness and the blendable of the color pencil, I think Prisma is better. So thank you very much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel, please do subscribe, and also please do not forget to press the like button. Thank you so much, and see you guys next one.